Now, we should mention there are still hundreds of thousands ballots to be counted in our state. Right now, there are people from both sides gathering to make their voices heard.
Brianna Whitney is live at the Maricopa County Election Center, and I'm wondering, there are people out there. Is this a protest forming there?
It was. They moved on to the Capitol just a little bit ago, but it has been very action-packed here tonight. I don't think anybody was necessarily expecting that to happen. Let's start with the numbers from that latest drop. So they got results from just over 76,000 ballots. Really, that's a small number when you're considering how many more they have to go. There's about 350,000 ballots they still need to count. Right now, that puts the 85,000 number difference between Trump and Biden still in Maricopa County, with Biden still in the lead, and all of those ballots and votes being tabulated in the room behind me here. These poll workers and these workers will be tabulating the results for the rest of the night, as we expect more results to come in into even the morning hours. But like I said, a lot of drama going on both inside and outside the center not too long ago. Take a look at what happened.
Where are our ballots, Mr. Fontes? The people of Arizona want to know.
So the extremist group AZ Patriots first walked right into the election center, live streaming, one wearing a military vest, and they were angry, claiming the county using Sharpie pens made their ballots invalid. Now, fact check, we've been saying this all day. This is not true at all. The group then went outside and chanted on a megaphone, where they were met with Biden and Harris fans yelling back at them. So the sheriff's office actually brought more deputies here to the election center, both inside and outside, to secure the area. They kind of put up caution tape as well. And I'm being told that there are people still outside the area right now. Just to give you guys a perspective, we are standing inside the election center, kind of in our own private room. So we are not privy right this second to what's going on outside the building. We just know that's where some of the drama was unfolding, and that there was talk that they would come back to this area tonight. So we will be in here monitoring what's going on, but let's talk more about those results. What more can we expect in terms of another drop tonight? County officials tell us sometime between 11 and midnight we should get another drop of results, but the number of ballots that will be in that, they don't know so far. Jared, I'm going to send it over to you.